How to change your name on Canva. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your name on Canva fast and easy. So first thing you need to do, go to Canva like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go down here, click on the menu option, click on menu, and then click on your name here and click on your account settings. Click on account settings and wait a few minutes. It will take you to this page right here. Now you need to click on your account here, and after that go to the name option and click the edit option right here, and now you can change it as you want fast. Okay, I'm gonna just write here fast and click save like this. Now the name is changed successfully, fast and easy. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.